How to fix Shopee cash on delivery temporarily disabled. So you want to go ahead to Shopee, in either your website or either your app. So you can go to Shopee, and there are multiple reasons why you might be disabled or your cash on delivery option might be disabled. So you must want to find the items that have cash on delivery. So every item doesn't support cash on delivery, you must consider that. Another thing is you need to make sure that you delete the orders from your list where you haven't accepted your cash and delivery orders. So you might have multiple cancelled cash and delivery orders, so that might be the problem as well. Also, what you'll have to do is you must make sure that some of the sellers might have disabled the cash and delivery option in some of the reasons. So you need to find out those, and then you're ready to go. So once you find out, what you can do is you'll have to go ahead and then go to your default purchasing store or your downloading store, for example Apple Store or Play Store, and then make sure you have the latest version of Shopee downloaded. And then if that fixes, it fixes. If that doesn't, you might want to go ahead and you might want to go to the app or the your website. You want to go to your profile section, you want to go ahead to the gear icon at the top right. From here you'll have to hit on to the help center, so it will load up a health center. You gonna find COD, which means cash on delivery. So here you can see can you use my voucher code and different other options for cash on delivery. So you'll have to go ahead and contact support in that case, so you can go ahead and do that. Also, what you can do is try waiting for like 90 days, so your cash and delivery option might be restored after 90 days of usage of your app. So that's for the video. That's how to fix temporarily disabled cash on delivery in Shopee. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.